Guys, it's Dirty D here, coming at you with a new video today. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best chunky toilet smoothie you've ever had in your entire life. So your first step, you need some crushed up cookies. Yeah, delicious cookies. You're just gonna dump that right in your shitter. Right in your shitter. Your next step, you need some 2-year-old Cool Whip right there. Ah, that's good Cool Whip. Oh! And you're just gonna dump that entire chunkage into your shitter. Your next step is to use a strawberry smoothie and just I'm moist. The last thing you're gonna want to do is put in some sriracha for that bit of spice. The last thing you're gonna do is flush. I've clogged my goddamn toilet.